Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming back. So I know you guys are probably like, what the hell, because I posted like 3 videos last year and then like a ton of stuff just went on, so I wasn't able to keep up my YouTube channel like I really wanted to and like, you know, I planned. So now, I mean, it's a new year, I'm back, I'm better, I'm ready to put these videos out for you guys. You know, hopefully I can do it every day, but if not, every other day, 3 times a week, 4 times a week. I don't know, don't hold me to that. I'm trying to, you know, just get on a good schedule and hopefully I can put these videos out because I do cook every single day basically. So with that being said, today, as you can tell by the title, I had to come back with a banger. I had to make something that I absolutely love and I've been craving it all week. So I really wanted some gumbo and that's what we're going to be making today. So if you're interested to see how I make this, then please stay tuned and keep on watching this video. We're going to jump right in with the ingredients. Okay y'all, so let me show you what we working with to make this gumbo. So when I went in the store, the guy was like, I got crab legs, you know, like, basically I guess because they were like this, they were marking them down. So I got a whole pound for $6.99, but this isn't all of it. I'm going to save some for a pasta that I'm making tomorrow. But yeah, so these are snow crab. These are chicken thighs. There's 6 in there. This is crawfish tails, which I'll show you guys what it is in just a second. That is shrimp, which I think I got a pound of shrimp as well. And then right here for our vegetables, we have celery. This is celery. This is bell pepper. This is onion. This is the sausage. And right there, I just have some minced garlic. And then over here, we're going to use salt, seasoning salt. This is like a spicy Cajun salt. And then bay leaf, thyme, gumbo, filet, however the heck you say it. Which I bought this one today. I don't know if I want to try this one or use the one that I always use. Creole seasoning, Old Bay. This is flour for our roux and butter, of course. Okay, so this is the sausage I used. Eckenridge, I cannot talk. Smoked sausage. You know, it comes with 2 in a pack. I just used 1 and diced it up. These are the crawfish tails that come in a bag already. They were frozen. Boudreaux's crawfish tail meat. So I just used half the bag. These are my extra crab legs. And then I forgot to let you know, this is about a little less than half of an onion. This is 3 celery stalks and this is half of a bell pepper. And then for the garlic, that is 5 or 6 garlic cloves. Okay, so first thing you're gonna do is add a little bit of oil. Just do a little razzle dazzle of oil like so. Oh, probably should turn the oven on or the stove as well. So we're gonna pour our oil in the pan. Then we don't need a whole cup of flour, but you're gonna need some flour, so I just filled up a cup full. But you want it to get hot. I forgot to tell you guys, you will need chicken broth or you can use chicken stock, whichever one you want. And these are 32 ounces, I think. Yeah, 32 ounces. And pretty much it depends on how much you're gonna make, which determines how much chicken broth you will need. Okay, so my camera turned off because I'm running out of memory. I actually need a new memory card, so I had to delete some stuff. But yeah, pour your flour in. which I don't think I put enough oil, so I'm about to add a little bit more. And use a whisk or whatever. And mix it together. Alright, so my mom actually ended up coming to pick up my son, interrupting my dang video and everything. But when you mix your flour and your oil, this is how it should start to be. Like, you want it to look like this. You can have it be darker if you want, but this is basically what it's supposed to look like. Kind of like peanut butter. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is dump in my veggies. So you're going to add your bell peppers and your celery. With your onion. But be careful, because if you're not paying attention, this will burn, and once it burns, you're screwed. This is what makes the whole entire gumbo. Some people like to brown their sausage and brown their chicken, which you can do that too, and I was going to, but I'm ready to eat, and this is already taking long enough. So I'm just gonna start to add my chicken broth to this mixture so we can make the veggies soft. I'm gonna pour one. See how it looked extra dark a minute ago, and now it's starting to look like way lighter? Add some more. I add the chicken broth in increments just because I feel like it's easier to make sure the flour doesn't clump up. So you repeat this step and just keep adding your chicken broth. And I'll be back in just a sec. So this is what it should start to look like. And then over here, my camera keeps cutting off. Okay, so this is what this should start to look like. Then over here, I threw some butter in there. And I'm just going to take my chicken. Actually, I'm gonna do the sausage first. I'm just gonna, like, you know, get it a little brown. Just get a little brown and a little crispy. And then after this, I'm going to take it out and I'm going to do the same thing with the chicken. Then I'll be back to show you guys. Okay, so our roux mixture is getting nice and thick. I'm about to add in the garlic. Oh, y'all can't even see. And then here's the chicken. I added some kickin' chicken seasoning, this right here, and garlic pepper. Oh, can you see? Doesn't want to let me be great. I don't know. This is garlic pepper. And then I added some salt and butter. Let's grab my tongs. Here's what the sausages look like. Yeah. I'm just gonna flip these over. I don't want them to cook too much, so I'm about to take them out as soon as they cook. You know, about a minute on each side. And then I got 2 more to put in there as well. Okay, so here's what the chicken looks like after I just cooked it, you know, just a little bit. And this is what you want in your pan. So now I'm about to take this and dump it all in here. So I'll be back because clearly I need 2 hands to do that. Okay, so here's the pan. I ended up adding the second bottle of chicken broth just because it wasn't enough. And now I'm about to add in my chicken. Because the way you do this now, it's pretty much done. So the chicken obviously takes the longest to cook because the crab leg is already cooked, the crawfish is already cooked, the sausage is already cooked. The shrimp only takes, you know, 5 minutes or so. So I'm gonna dump my chicken in here. Once again, the camera freaking cut off, so I need to go buy another memory card or clearly take the stuff off of this memory card. But anyway, took the chicken off, so then I'm just gonna take this and pour it all in there because of course you want all these luscious juices from the chicken. But like I was saying, basically it's done at this point. I just want my chicken to cook because everything is basically cooked, and by the looks of this I might have to dump it in a whole nother pot because it's already getting to be too full. But I'm gonna set you guys down because we're missing the main stuff. Like, there's no seasoning, duh. And just so y'all know, I eyeball it. I don't measure any seasoning. I just put what I think should go in there. So salt, 2 bay leaves, sprinkle my thyme, use my same Zatarans. I forgot how much goes in here, but you know, like I said, we finna wing it. And if you hear that noise, it's my stove. I don't know why when I put like heavy pots, it starts to do that. If you know, let me know, because I don't know. But this is one of the main ingredients that go in gumbo. So, my Creole. Cajun salt. And some Old Bay. You know what? I think I'm gonna add some garlic salt. Basically the way I cook is I season it and then I just keep tasting it until, you know, I feel like it's right. So it just depends on your own taste buds on how you want it. So like I said, we're just gonna wait for our chicken to cook, and then once it starts shredding apart and it's done, then I'm gonna dump in everything else. So I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so finally I'm back, and disregard this. I have to make a whole separate meal for Bae because he does not eat seafood. So yeah, but this is what it looks like. It's gonna fog up the camera. Ooh, hold on, I'll hold y'all back here. You see how the chicken is shredding? So I'm about to go ahead and dump basically everything else in the pot, and then I'll be back to show you guys what the finished product looks like. And also forgot to mention, you need to boil some rice, duh, because I mean, that's also a main part of this. So I'm gonna put on a pot of rice and dump everything else in here. And then I'll be back to show you guys what the finished product looks like. But before I go, I do want to show you guys this, a beautiful ribeye steak. This is what Bae's going to be eating. And I was going to do a video on how I'm making it. I'm trying to show y'all what it looks like. I was going to do a video on how I am making it, and along with like the mashed potatoes and macaroni for him. But considering my memory card is not holding a lot right now and it's full and I need a new one, I can't show you guys. So let me know in the comments down below if you want me to do a whole nother video. I'll get another one and make the same meal over again. But this is freaking big. Like, let me show y'all. I bought this at Sam's. But yeah, so that's what I'm making for Bae. And, you know, some homemade mac and cheese and mashed potatoes. But I'll be back. Alright, you guys, so here's the finished product. Doesn't it look like freaking amazing? Now, of course, it's kind of like liquidy, you know, but obviously when it sits like overnight, and tomorrow it'll be better. Food is always better the second day when all the seasonings and everything are able to just marinate in there and give you the full flavor. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Tastes super good. And then here's my rice. I was gonna plate it for you guys, but I'm not about to eat at this very second, so I don't want my rice super soggy. But yeah, let me know down in the comments below what you think. Let me know if you're gonna try this out, because it's a freaking bomb. It's so amazing. And yeah, and while I'm here, let me just go ahead and show you what I made Bae. So you can let me know if you want me to do a video on this. That's the mac and cheese, mashed potatoes. Here's his big old ribeye steak, which tastes so good. I mean, hell, I may eat all this tonight. Who knows? But y'all, this macaroni, I tried a new recipe. Look at this. Oh my gosh, look. Like, if you're on a diet, then probably shouldn't watch my videos, because I mean, nothing I make is gonna be healthy. I'm not gonna say nothing, but like I said, hardly anything that I make is healthy. Every now and then I eat some salad, you know, I do eat vegetables and other things, but mainly, you know, I'm gonna be making stuff that clogs your arteries. So again, if you're on a diet, then, you know, probably shouldn't watch my channel, because it's definitely not healthy. I use tons of butter, tons of unhealthy ass shit. So anyway, comment down below and let me know what you think, and I will see you guys in the next one.